Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech with Deepak. Today we will review about Mercedes Benz EQE SUV. Mercedes Benz EQE SUV latest update. Mercedes Benz has unveiled the EQE SUV, its 8th electric vehicle and an EV version of EQE Saloon. Launch: the EQE SUV is expected to arrive in India by December 2023. Price: it is expected to be priced from Rs 1 crore onwards, ex-showroom. Variants: globally, it will be offered in 3 trims, EQE 350 Plus, EQE 350 4MATIC, and EQE 500 4MATIC. Battery, electric motor and range: the EQE SUV will use the same 90.6 kWh battery pack for all 3 trims, but with varied powertrain performances. The EQE 350 Plus and EQE 350 4MATIC will both produce 293 PS. But the former will have a lesser torque output of 565 Nm, while the latter will have 765 Nm. The EQE 500 4MATIC produces 408 PS and 858 Nm. WLTP claimed driving range: EQE 350 Plus, RWD, 480 to 590 km. EQE 350 4MATIC, AWD, 459 to 558 km. EQE 500, AWD, 460 to 547 km. Features: the SUV will include amenities such as Mercedes-Benz's latest MBUX-powered, 56-inch hyperscreen, a 4-zone climate control, Burmester 3D surround sound system, leather-free interiors, and the energizing air control plus air purification system. Safety: its safety package may include numerous airbags, rear seatbelt alert, the latest restraint systems, lane keep assist, brake assist, attention assist, adaptive cruise control, and park assist. Rivals: the Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV will take on the likes of BMX iX and Audi e-tron. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.